So we start by placing the interior frame. The interior frame is the frame with this curtain, and also because we'll be putting the safety cap inside, this is for security reasons. So you place it, it has to be fitting perfectly without pushing, and that's good. Next step is to make the marking of these 6 holes for drilling a hole with a, they say 7 diameter, 7 millimeters, but I only have a 6, so let's try with a 6. And then you take here a pen, but very classically it's not deep enough. So for this reason I'm taking this Bradlaugh and I'm placing it here, and I'm marking with the hammer. So they say a drill of 7, but I don't have any, so I'm taking a 6. Let's see if it's working out. So the big advantage of the Bradlaugh is that you have already a little hole, and you can fix this the top of the drill into the hole. Then we're using these little screws. This time, for saving some time, I will take the drilling machine from the other side. For the very end, we are finishing manually, otherwise we'll be breaking the head of the plastic screw. And for ending, we are cutting the excess of the plastic screws. So it's not a big surprise that we have so much residues of wood with the cut of the jigsaw. Considering also the quite correct thickness of this piece of wood. And by the way, you see here the door frame. You can also admire here this work of the door panes. So this here is planed with a manual planer at these times, so very good work, excellent wood. That's it, my friends, the work are now finished. Just to end, still this little protection in case we are leaving. So put inside so that it cannot be removed from outside. So this is now quite well placed. So this here was a typical example where the work seemed to be very easy on the paper, but you may need some more experience. For instance, I could have made the savings of the sanding in case I would have made the holes exactly where indicated on the template. I shouldn't have gone more inside, so it means that there's a little bit of space for placing the frame. Now we still have to teach to the dog how to use this little pet door, but I think this shouldn't be too difficult because it's just opening like this, super easy. And we will have less flies. I'm opening here the door to show you briefly, to leave you an eye on the atrium, where I recently put some coating on the bricks, which gives a much better appearance, and for this I made a video I can invite you to join. And of course, not to forget also the playlist about plenty of tips, useful tips for the dogs. So in any case, I'm seeing you soon on Happy Hour TV1.